look at this. We're talking about plant-based shrimp on a New Orleans classic. Hey everybody, I'm Chef Brian Duffy, and today I want to talk to you about my crazy take on a po' boy sandwich featuring plant-based, Cajun-breaded, new wave shrimp. It's such a fun product that I put it on my menu and I literally sold out of it in one weekend. All right, so what we're gonna do first is we're gonna grab a red onion, just for a little bit of crunch, a little bit of added flavor whenever it is that I do it. Now, when I menu these, one of the things that I do is I really like to call it plant-based instead of vegan because it really broadens the appeal. Plant-based new wave shrimp is a bold new way to create menu excitement. It's a great feature item that has the taste and texture of ocean shrimp. It's incredibly versatile and it works across your entire menu, be it apps, entrees, or sides. All right, we're gonna take this frozen plant-based shrimp, we're gonna drop it into a 350-degree fryer for 1.5 to 2 minutes. This product is so easy to work with and it works really well in any hot dish application. All right, it's time for us to start putting this unbelievable po' boy together. So what we're gonna do first is I wanna make sure that with that bread, I cut it evenly throughout because I wanna have the perfect bite when I bite into this sandwich. So same cut, top and bottom, that's really important. For this sandwich, I'm using the breaded version. You could just as easily use the unbreaded version, or you can even feature that in a plant-based California-style banh mi. Now, we're gonna get our pimento cheese. This pimento cheese is super easy to do. A little cream cheese, some mayonnaise, get your peppers in there, get creative. Don't do what everybody else is doing. Be creative and do something different. Now, one of the things that I like to do, I'll throw this in the oven, 350, 450 degrees for about 2 minutes, and it's gonna come out super toasty and unbelievably flavorful. Create this with your favorite seasonings to give it a signature spin. I love that I can add dry rubs or sauces or even some smoked options. And this is our signature Cajun shrimp po' boy. Succulent bite and crunch with pimento cheese for a little zing. Add in that tomato and lettuce. Don't forget about that zesty, nice horseradish remoulade that goes on top. Made decadently delicious with our plant-based Cajun breaded new wave shrimp.